Hi guys, this is Promo Codes Hotel here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uncover what the hotel names are on Agoda secret hotel deals. So first of all, let's come to Agoda and we'll start with a search for, let's say, Bali hotels, and let's choose the district of Ubud, and we'll select our dates of the 19th of February, which is today, and search for 3 nights and click search. You'll see a list of the different areas in Bali, and we want the Ubud section, so let's click on that. And here are a list of all the Ubud hotels. And for secret hotel deals, come up to this price drop down tab and select secret hotel deals. Agoda will now search for available secret hotel deals in the Ubud area. Secret hotels are great because they offer 50% to 60% off the normal rates a hotel would charge. They want to fill their rooms and they don't want to put their name to it, so what they do is they turn to sites like Agoda to actually offer these deals. So what I will now show you is how we can work out what the hotel name is which is advertising this deal. So let's have a look at this first secret hotel on the Agoda list. We can see that it's a 5-star hotel, and it has a fantastic rating of 8.9, and you can see this is based on 290 reviews. Now what I want you to do is actually note this down. So it's an 8.9 rated hotel with 290 plus reviews. The reason it's important to note these items down is because what we'll do now is we'll find out what the hotel name is, and these two pieces of information, the 8.9 rating score and the 290 reviews, will help us. So what we'll do is just come up to this this drop down menu which says review score, and we want to search by all reviews. This will now list all the hotels in Ubud, and we'll list them by their actual rating score or review score. You'll see that the highest at the top, and it goes down from 9.5, 9.3, 9.2 and so on. So let's narrow down the search. We know it's a 5-star hotel, so let's come across to the left and select 5 stars. And the other thing we know is that it was rated above 8, so we can select 8. And that narrows down the search criteria quite a lot. So we now are only listing hotels which are 5-star and above the rating of 8. So let's have a look on this list. So if we scroll down, so we've selected the 5-star hotels with ratings above 8, and we're just looking for a hotel which is rated at 8.9 with 290 plus reviews. So as we scroll down, we can see that there's actually only 2 hotels which have a rating of 8.9, which are 5-star, and there's 2 lots of reviews here. One has 91 reviews and one has 295 reviews. So we know that the secret hotel deal that we were looking at was rated 8.9, and it said that there was 290 plus reviews. So that pretty much narrows it down to it being the Maya Ubud Resort and Spa, and the price of that is $272. If we go back up to the secret hotel deals by going up to price and selecting Agoda secret hotel deals, we can see that hotel at the top of the list, which is the secret hotel, and it's actually discounted to $218 on the secret hotel deal, which is a 52% discount, which is a pretty good deal for a 5-star hotel in the Ubud area. So that's how you can make a booking and save money using secret hotel deals on Agoda. I hope this helps, and let me know if you get any good deals. But also check out our website www.promocodeshotel.com, and on this site you'll find lots of great deals, promo codes, and anything you can think of that will help you in getting a good deal on your next hotel booking.